Hi children, good evening. So today we are discussing about third concept, that is the behavior of T ratios in Q1. So if you take the quadrants, you will get Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Now we are discussing about only Q1. That means only for positive values. In between 0 to 90. In Q1 we have from 0 to 90. That is why I have written here. Now all the trigonometry ratios we are going to discuss and find its behavior and value for 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Only these 5 values have been selected in Q1. Now in the place of theta you assume these values. That means sine 0 degrees value is here. Sine in the place of theta 30, sine 30 degrees value is here. Sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Similarly for cos, tan, cot, secant and cosecant. Okay, so like this we have. So to get the values of sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, similarly all, we have clear explanation. So lengthy, that is the theoretical part. Now here to prepare this table within 1 minute, within short time. So I have given you one shortcut that you see here. Here if you go for the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 ends with 4 and starts with 0. Therefore you take first one for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. No? By 4, by 4, by 4, by 4 you put. Maximum value is 4. Square root you put. Now square root of 0 by 4. Square root of 0 by 0 by 4 is 0. Square root of 0, 0. Next 1 by 4. Square root of 1, square root of 4. Split it. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 4 is 2. 1 by 2. Next 45. 2 by 4. 2 1 2 2 gets cancelled. So 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by square root of 2. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 2 as it is. So 1 by root 2. Next third, fourth one. So 3 by 4. So split it root 3 by root 4. Root 3 as it is. Root 4 is 2. Root 3 by 2. Here 4 gets cancelled. Square root of 1 is 1. So now we have the values of sine. To get the values of sine, here we have one shortcut, that is this 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Like this you see children. Now cos is the complementary of sine. Just remember one thing, these two are complementary. See cosine, cosine means cos. Tan you will find. Cotan, cot you will get. Cosec, cosec you will get. So these two are complementary, these two are complementary, these two are complementary. That is why I have written in this order. So that if you know sine, you write reverse, you will get cos. If you find tan, you write reverse, you will get cot. If you get secant theta values, just you write reverse, you will get cosec values. So that it will be very easy to you. So therefore, if you get one row sine values, remaining all you will get. That is why I have given you shortcut for sine theta. Now see here sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2, sine 91. Reverse it. 1 is here, root 3 by 2, sine 45, same, cos 45 same. Next 1 by 2 is here, 0 is here. Now if you get sine, you will get cos. Now I'll go for tan. Tan value you must find. Therefore if you write reverse, you will get cot theta. So tan is the definition, tan is the ratio between sine and cos. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Now tan 0 means what? Sine 0 by cos 0. Already it is like z by only, see there, 0 by 1. Here tan 30, sine 30 by cos 30, this by this. Tan 45, this by this, like that, all you know, they are like fractions only. Now you see directly you can find the values. Tan 0, 0 by 1, 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 1 by root 3 you will get. Now 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Both gets cancelled. Answer is 1. Now here again fraction by fraction. 2 gets cancelled. Root 3 by 1 you will get root 3. Here 1 by 0 is infinity. That's all. If you get tan, you can write reverse. You will get cot. Infinity is here. Root 3 is here. 1 is here. 1 by root 3. 0 degree. 0. Next you go for sec. If you get sec, if you get sec, then reverse it, you will get cosec. So try for sec. Sec is the reciprocal of cos, the reverse. So this is 1 means 1 by 1. Reverse it, 1 by 1 only, so 1. So cos 30, root 3 by 2. Reverse it, 2 by root 3. 1 by root 2. Reverse it, root 2. 1 by 1 by 2. Reverse it, 2. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. That's all. You have the values of sec theta. Then reverse it, you will get the values of cosec theta. Infinity, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3, next 1. That's all. This is the table. If you get the sine values, remaining all you will get. That is why I have given you shortcut for the sine values. Just go through it. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. It's clear. Next, coming to complementary functions. So in a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees. And if it is 30, this is 60. Because if one is 90, sum of the remaining two is 90. Therefore, one is theta, the other one is 90 minus theta. If one is 30, the other one is 60. How did you get 90 minus 30 is 60? This is 40. 90 minus 40 is 50. Like that you will get. So if it is theta, this is 90 minus theta. If here it is theta, this is 90 minus theta. Because these two are complementary angles. So therefore, complementary functions I am going to find for the T ratios. Now sin 90 minus theta is cos theta, because these two are complementary functions. No, if you define any t ratio here, its complementary function will be defined here. Now I am taking sine complementary, co means what? Sine, cosine, cos. Therefore sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. That only I have written here. Next, take two complementary functions, tan and cot. Tan, apply co-complementary, co-tan means what? Cot. Tan and cot are complementary. So tan if you define here, cot will come here. Cot if you define here, tan will come here. Therefore tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan theta. Similarly, third pair, sec theta, complementary you apply to this, cosec, that is this. Therefore these two are complementary functions. So apply here sec 90 minus theta, then cosec theta here, cosec 90 minus theta, sec theta here. Like that you will get three pairs of complementary equations on t ratios, right? So we will discuss, we will prove each and everything, don't get worried. So first you see how the complementary functions have been formed. Okay, next coming to trigonometric identities. Here we have 6 trigonometric ratios, sine, cos, tan, cot, all these things, right? Pairs you make, 3 pairs will come. Therefore 3 t ratios, 3 trigonometric identities we have here. First you go for SC, next you go for ST, next you go for CC. ST, SC, CC, ST, SC, CC. SC, what is the first t ratio? Starts with S, sine. Next C, cos. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Next ST. Next starts with the S after sine, sec. T means tan. Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Next CC. In this, which one is big one? Cosec. Which one is small one? Cot. Because minus we are doing a big number minus small number, like that I am saying big function minus small function. So cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. That's all 6 have been included in these 3 pairs. So 3 equations. Now coming to first one, once again I am saying SC, ST, CC. Sin square plus cos square is equal to 1. Sec square minus tan square is equal to 1. Cosec square minus cot square is equal to 1. In the place of theta you can see any alphabet or any number which are same. Theta, 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 like that. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Sin square alpha plus cos square alpha is equal to 1. Sin square 2020 plus cos square 2020 is equal to 1. Like that. Just imagine for all these things. Now here we can derive different types of equations. And only these 3 are the 3 trigonometric identities. These have been derived from this. See, sin square you make subject, plus cos square will become minus cos square. Square you send that side, square root of. That's all. Here cos square you make 1 minus sin square. Square you send that side, square root. Similarly here. Sec square you make here, minus tan square will become plus tan square. Square will become square root. Like this we can derive the values, right? Now tan square, here minus, this only you send that side. Therefore 1 will go that side. So tan square is equal to sec square theta minus 1. Tan is equal to square root of. Similarly here also. Cos square theta is equal to, minus will become plus, no? So 1 plus cot square theta. Now square will become square root. Now cot square you send that side, 1 will come this side. Cot square theta is equal to cos square theta minus 1. So square will become square root. Like this we can derive different formulae from the trigonometric identities. Identity means an equation which is true for all the real values of its variables is called an identity equation. That we have applied in 3 ratios also. Therefore 3 trigonometric identities we are getting. But we can prove by using right angle triangle these 3 trigonometric identities, right? Without Pythagoras theorem, it is impossible to prove. So by using Pythagoras theorem we are proving these 3 identities. That is why trigonometric identities are also called Pythagorean identities. Actually we have to write triple equal, identical to, sin square theta plus cos square theta identical to or equivalent to 1. Like that we can write, but not required. We can go like this as usual, right? So like this 5 concepts I have given children, very important. So prepare well. Everybody must and should thorough with these formulae. Then only we can solve the problems. Thank you. See you in the next class.